Session hijacking is a technique used by hackers to gain access to a target's computer or online accounts. In a session hijacking attack, a hacker takes control of a user's browsing session to gain access to their personal information and passwords. Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Stunts. I am Ashura Saxena and this is Cybersecurity series. In this video, I am going to discuss the concept of session hijacking. Stay tuned till the end for better understandability. How does session hijacking work? A session hijacker can take control of a user's session in several ways. One common method is to use a packet sniffer to intercept the communication between the user and the server, which allows the hacker to see what information is being sent and received. They can then use this information to log into the account or access sensitive data. Session hijacking can also be performed by developing malware to infect the user's computer. This gives the hacker direct access to the machine, enabling them to then hijack any active session. Let's talk about what are the different types of session hijacking. Session hijacking can be either active or passive. In active session hijacking, the attacker takes control of the target's session while it is still alive. The attacker does this by sending a spoofed request to the server that includes the target's session ID. This type of attack is more challenging to execute because it requires the attacker to have an on path, also known as man in the middle, position between the target and the server. Passive session hijacking. Passive session hijacking occurs when the attacker eavesdrops on network traffic to steal the target's session ID. This type of attack is easily accomplished if they are on the same network as the target. How to prevent session hijacking? There are several ways to prevent session hijacking from happening. Number 1. Use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. These techniques protect accounts from being accessed by hackers if they manage to steal a user's session ID. Number 2. Only share session IDs with trusted sources. Be careful when sharing links or sending requests to websites, as these may include session IDs also. Number 3. Use a VPN, that is Virtual Private Network. A VPN helps prevent attackers from intercepting traffic, making it more difficult for the hacker to steal session IDs. Number 4. Keep softwares up to date. Make sure to keep operating systems and software up to date with the latest attack techniques and how to prevent them. In the next video, I will discuss about number 1. The dangers of session hijacking attacks. Number 2. Preventing cyber attacks as a certified hacker. So stay tuned, and if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe Coding Stunts. Thank you and see you in the next video.